Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Now in this lecture we will understand what is a homogeneous differential equation. Now a function, I will say that a function f x y is said to be homogeneous equation of degree n if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power n f of xy. Okay. So, a function fxy is said to be homogeneous equation of degree n if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power n fxy. Okay, now let us understand this with some examples. If I take fx comma y, let us take fx comma y as x square plus y square upon xy. This is fxy. So what will be f lambda x comma lambda y? We will replace all x with lambda x, so this become lambda x the whole square. We will replace all y with lambda y, so this will be plus lambda y the whole square. Divide by xy, so lambda x into lambda y. Now when we solve it, we get lambda square x square plus lambda square y square upon lambda square xy. So lambda square we can take common from numerator, so it become x square plus y square divided by lambda square, it become xy. So finally you will find that this lambda square upon lambda square can be written as lambda power 0, and here it is x square plus y square upon xy. So this is lambda power 0 f of xy. So we are able to write this f of lambda x comma lambda y as lambda power 0 f of xy. So if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power n f xy, where lambda is some constant, then it is called as a differential equation. It is called a homogeneous equation. Now here in this case degree of this homogeneous equation is 0. Okay, so degree could be anything, like if I take another example, say f of xy, we take 2xy plus y square. Now in this case, if I take lambda x and lambda y in place of x and y, I will get 2 lambda x into lambda y plus lambda y the whole square. So here again you will take lambda square common and you have 2xy plus y square, that gives you lambda power 2 into f of xy. So this equation f of xy, 2xy plus lambda plus y square, this is also homogeneous equation. Now here the degree of this homogeneous equation is 2. So I think this will clear you what is a homogeneous equation. So a homogeneous equation is an equation in which if I replace x and y with lambda x and lambda y, then in that case I will get the same function multiplied by lambda power some number, okay, some integer number. Now this is homogeneous equation, and if the value of n is 0, it is called a homogeneous equation with degree 0. So now in this class we are going to solve the problems in which the differential equation is homogeneous differential equation and degree of this differential equation is 0. So let us begin. Now in each of the following exercise 1 to 4, 1 to 10, show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve each of them. So we have to first show that this is a homogeneous differential equation and then we have to solve it. So let us take the first problem. Now the first problem is x square plus xy into dy is equals to x square plus y square into dx. So step by step I will show you how we will solve these problems. Now in the previous exercise you have seen that if it is possible to separate all y term with dy and all x term with dx, then we integrate both the sides and we solve. Now here in this case you will find that it is not possible. You cannot separate all x with x, all y with y. So in that case what you will do? First you will check whether this is a differential equation, homogeneous equation or not. Now to check whether it is homogeneous equation or not, first find out dy upon dx. So here dy upon dx is equals to, we have x square plus y square upon x square plus xy. This is dy upon dx. Let us consider that this dy upon dx is some function of x comma y. So we have f of xy is equals to x square plus y square upon x square plus xy. Now f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to, we will replace x with lambda x, so it become lambda x the whole square, plus we replace y with lambda y, so it become lambda y the whole square, divide by, in place of x we will write lambda x the whole square, plus in place of y we replace lambda y the whole square. It is xy, na? So in place of x it is lambda x into, in place of y it is lambda y. So this becomes, this is equals to lambda square x square plus lambda square y square upon lambda square x square plus lambda square xy. Now in numerator I can take this lambda square common, so I have x square plus y square, and in denominator I will take lambda square common, so I have x square plus xy. Now this becomes lambda power 0 into f of x comma y. So therefore the given differential equation is homogeneous. Homogeneous equation of degree 0. So this is your first part, that you have to check whether the given equation is a homogeneous equation or not. So this is a homogeneous equation of degree 0. Now we have to solve it. Now to solve, let us see step by step. Your first step, okay, remember your first step will be, you consider let y is equals to vx. In all the problems take y is equals to vx. Okay, you can choose any other variable in place of v, but it is a standard practice to use v. So write y is equals to vx. So y is equals to vx. Therefore find out what is dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equals to, now here you will use u into v method. So it is v into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of v is dv upon dx. Okay, so first understand this. What we have done, we have considered y is equals to vx. Then we use the standard practice of differentiating a function. So dy upon dx, it will become v into derivative of x, which is 1, plus x into derivative of v, which is dv upon dx. Okay. So in place of dy upon dx, now I can replace v plus x dv upon dx. Okay. And in place of y, I can replace vx. So from, I will say that from equation 1, now equation 1, this equation we consider that this is equation 1. Now from equation 1, in place of dy upon dx, we will write v plus, so in place of dy upon dx, we write v plus x into dv upon dx is equals to, now is equals to, what is it? X square plus y square upon x square plus xy. X square, so x square will be x square plus y square, so y square will become vx the whole square upon x square plus xy, so x will remain x, y will become vx. So I have this is equals to x square plus v square x square, and our denominator is x square plus vx square. Now x square we can take common in numerator, so here I have 1 plus v square. X square I will take common in denominator, so it is 1 plus v, and on left hand side we have v plus x into dv upon dx. So this x square cancels, and I have x into dv upon dx is equals to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v minus v. So therefore x into dv upon dx is equals to 1 plus v square minus 1 minus v square whole divided by 1 plus v. So this v square cancels, 1 plus v square minus v, this is minus v and minus v square. So v square cancel, and in numerator I have 1 minus v, in denominator I have 1 plus v. Here I have x into dv upon dx. So therefore I get 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv is equals to 1 upon x dx. So ultimately, if you see that when your equation is homogeneous equation, then by doing the substitution y is equals to vx, we can convert this equation in a variable separable form as we have done in last exercise. Now from here your problem is just the same as you have done in the last exercise. So what you have done in last exercise, now you will integrate both the sides. So therefore integration of 1 plus v upon 1 minus v into dv is equals to integration of 1 upon x into dx. Now here the degree of denominator and numerator is same. So as this is degree 1, we can adjust, we can get 1 minus x, or you can divide this 1 plus v by 1 minus v. So if you divide, let us just divide here. What we do? We divide minus v plus 1, okay, and v plus 1. So we divide v plus 1 by minus v plus 1. So here I have minus 1. So this become minus v minus 1. I will subtract, so this will become 0 and this will become 2. So I will have here minus 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus v into dv is equals to, here I have integration of 1 upon x into dx. Now when I integrate, I have minus v plus 2, now denominator is 1 minus v, so it is 2 log of 1 minus v, and the coefficient of v is -1, so I will divide with -1, is equals to, on right hand side it is log x plus some constant c. Now this v is what? V is y upon x. When I say that y is equals to v upon vx, okay, when we substitute y is equals to vx, so if I get v will be equal to y upon x. So all v's now finally be replaced by y upon x. So therefore I have minus y upon x minus 2 log, okay, this minus will go here, minus 2 log 1 minus y upon x is equals to log x plus c. Therefore I will move these on right hand side, so I will get therefore y upon x plus 2 log here x minus y upon x plus log x plus c is equals to 0. This is the required solution of differential equation. Okay, so here in this case what we understand that when it is difficult to separate variables, first we check whether this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now when we get that the equation is homogeneous differential equation of order 0, that is important, of order 0, then in that case we will use the substitution y is equals to vx. We convert all y in terms of x, means our equation from dy upon dx, it changes to dv upon dx. Then we separate variable v and variable x, and then we do the standard practice of integrating both the sides and getting the solution in terms of v. Now finally we replace v with y upon x. So this is how you can solve the problem. Now it will be better that if I get expression in terms of y, but if it is not possible, then whatever expression you have got, keep that as it is. Okay, so let us see few more problems. First problem we have done. Now let us see the second problem. Second problem is y dash is equals to x plus y upon x. So y dash means dy upon dx, and this is given x plus y upon x. We will consider, let capital X comma y is your x plus y upon x. Consider that this is your equation number 1. So let us find what is f of lambda x comma lambda y. Now this will become lambda x plus lambda y upon lambda x. We will take this lambda common from numerator, so it is x plus y. We will take lambda from denominator, it will be lambda into x. Now this lambda cancels, that means I get lambda power 0, and I will get the same function f x comma y. So therefore I will say that equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation. Is a homogeneous differential equation, and what is its degree? Homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. This is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. So we will say let y is equals to vx. We can also say that v is equals to y upon x. Okay, but this is simple. Y is equals to vx. Therefore dy upon dx will be v plus x into dv upon dx. So therefore from equation 1 we have dy upon dx on one side. So from equation 1 we have v plus x into dv upon dx is equals to, on right hand side we have x plus y upon x So x will remain x plus y will become vx upon x. Now x I will take common, it is 1 plus v upon here x, so this x will cancel. So therefore I have, therefore this x into dv upon dx is equals to, on right hand side we have 1 plus v minus v, so this v will cancel, and therefore I have dv is equals to 1 upon x dx. Now I will integrate, therefore integration of dv is equals to integration of 1 upon x dx. Therefore I have v is equals to log x plus c, therefore I have y upon x is equals to log x plus c, therefore I have y is equals to x into, in bracket I have log of mod x plus c. So this is the solution of differential equation. So here this second question was a bit easier one, right? Okay, so let us solve other problems also in the same way. Now as you are you have done your integration chapter, you must have revised it also, so solve all the problems by yourself. Okay, so major part is your integration one, the initial stages, that how to check a equation as homogeneous differential equation, that you have already done it. So let us see this third question. Third question is x minus y into dy minus x plus y into dx is 0. So what we will do, we will first write what is dy upon dx. Now this minus term you will first move on right, so it will become x plus y, and then you divide by this x minus y. This is your dy upon dx. You will consider that your f capital X comma capital Y is equals to dy upon dx. Therefore you get f of x comma y as x plus y divided by x minus y. Okay, not capital X capital Y, you can say small x small y, because your function, okay, we have used variable as small x small y. Now we will find f of lambda x comma lambda y, means we replace x with lambda x and y with lambda y. Denominator also we do the same thing, x with lambda x and y with lambda y. So I have f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to, now lambda I will take common, here I have x plus y, and in denominator I take lambda common, here I have x minus y. So this lambda we get lambda power 0, and I have the same function f of x comma y. So f of lambda x comma lambda y is equals to lambda power 0 f of x comma y. Therefore we will say that equation 1, let us consider this given equation as equation 1. Equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Okay, I will consider let y is equals to vx, therefore I get dy upon dx is equals to v plus x into dv upon dx. Therefore I will say from equation 1 I have v plus x into dv upon dx is equals to, now numerator is x plus y, denominator is x minus y. So numerator is x plus y is v into x upon denominator is x minus y. So x minus v into x. Okay, so here you take x common, so you will get 1 plus v. In denominator you take x common, you will get 1 minus v. This x will cancel. Here we have v plus x into dv upon dx. Therefore dv upon dx, x times dv upon dx is equals to, here it is 1 plus v upon 1 minus v is equals to, now 1 plus v minus v, and this minus minus it will become plus v square whole divided by 1 minus v. Now this plus v minus v will cancel. Here we have x into dv upon dx. So therefore I will move all v term with dv and all x term with dx. So I will get 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square into dv is equals to 1 upon x into dx. Now I will integrate both the sides. After integration, okay, let us simplify. So 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square, we will separate it. Okay, you know how to integrate. So this is 1 upon 1 plus v square dv minus, here it is v upon 1 plus v square dv. Here it is integration of 1 upon x dx. Okay, I prefer to integrate on both the sides when both the sides are in their simple form. Now here integration of 1 upon 1 plus v square is tan inverse v. Here if you observe carefully, the derivative of denominator is 2v, so it is easy to adjust v with 2v. Okay, we will multiply and divide by 2. So now numerator is the derivative of denominator, so it will be log of 1 plus v square, we know the formula, and here it is log of x. So therefore we have tan inverse, therefore tan inverse of v minus, here it is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square, and here it is log x plus c. So therefore we have tan inverse v means y upon x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus y upon x the whole square is equals to, here it is log x plus c. Okay, so this is your required solution. Okay, now it is difficult to eliminate this tan inverse sign, because for that we have to move everything on right hand side and then write y in terms of x. So we will keep our solution here. We will keep it as it is, that is tan inverse y upon x minus 1 upon 2 log 1 plus y upon x the whole square is equals to log x plus c is the required solution of this differential equation. So third problem you have done. Now fourth problem, one more problem we will solve. Let us solve here only. So we delete all these things what we have done. So fourth problem, again what we do in fourth problem, we will try to write it in the form of dy upon dx. So for that 2xy into dy I write here, and this will go on that side. It will become minus of x square minus y square into dx. Then I have dy upon dx is equals to minus of, so if I open this bracket, it will become y square minus x square divided by 2xy. So therefore now I have to check that this is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now the simple concept of checking the equation as a homogeneous differential equation of degree is that, okay, you check the degree of each term. If the degree of each term is same, it is homogeneous. Like here this is one term and here this is one term. If you see the degree means the power of variables. So here total power is 2, here total power is 2. So this is homogeneous. But we have to show this. So for that, let us consider this as equation 1 and then say let f of x comma y is equals to f of x comma y is equals to, here we have y square minus x square upon 2xy. This is f of x comma y. Now f of lambda x comma lambda y will be equals to, y is replaced by lambda y, so it is lambda y the whole square minus x square upon 2, this is lambda x the whole square, 2 lambda x this is 2 lambda x into lambda y. So here lambda square you take out, inside we get y square minus x square, denominator is lambda square out and here we have 2xy. So this is lambda power 0 and f of x comma y. So we say that, therefore we say that equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. So what I will do, I will say let y is equals to vx, therefore dy upon dx is equals to v into 1 plus x into dv upon dx. Now from equation 1, if you check your equation 1, from equation 1 we have dy upon dx, so in place of dy upon dx we can write v plus x into dv upon dx. We have v plus x into dv upon dx is equals to, here on right hand side we have y square minus x square upon 2xy. So y square means vx the whole square, y square minus x square upon, divided by, denominator is 2xy, denominator is 2xy. So 2x and in place of y we write vx. So this will become v square x square minus x square divided by, here it is 2vx square. So therefore we have v plus x into dv upon dx is equals to x square, we will take common, here it is v square minus 1 upon 2vx square. So this x square will cancel. So therefore I have x into dv upon dx is equals to, here it is v square minus 1 upon 2v minus v. So therefore x into dv upon dx is equals to, here it is v square minus 1 minus 2v square upon 2v. So this is equals to, therefore here it is x into dv upon dx is equals to, now I will take minus sign out, v square minus 2v square is minus v square. So when I take minus common, it will become 1 plus v square, denominator is 2v. I will separate variables, that means 2v upon 1 plus v square into dv. Here it is minus 1 upon x into dx. Now I will integrate both the sides. So therefore we have integration of 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equals to minus integration of 1 upon x into dx. Now here derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. So I have log of 1 plus v square is equals to minus log of x plus, now constant also I will take as log of c. Okay, so that log I can remove. So therefore I have log of 1 plus v square is equals to log of, now log of c minus log of x is what? Log of c upon x. So now we can remove this log sign and we have therefore 1 plus v square is equals to c upon x. So therefore 1 plus v is what? Y upon x. So 1 plus y upon x the whole square is equals to c upon x. Okay, that's it. This is the required solution. Okay, if you want, you can multiply both the sides by x square. So you will get therefore x square plus y square is equals to xc is required solution of your differential equation. Now this is what we say that a homogeneous differential equation, and this is how we can solve it. So 3-4 problems I discussed with you, rest problems you can solve because there is nothing, okay, there is nothing special. What you have to do? You have to just integrate it, and integration you are very good. If you feel that you have problem in integration, then it is best to first revise your integration. Okay, thank you. Thank you for being with me in this lecture. We will see you in next class. Thank you once again.